In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove the credit card from Shopify. Now, this is a very quick video. All you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. So just log into your Shopify store, and then I'm going to be showing you guys how you can remove the credit card from Shopify so that Shopify doesn't charge your credit card. Probably you have selected a plan and Shopify keeps charging your credit card and you want to stop them from charging your credit card. That's exactly what I'm about to show you in this video. So what you guys need to do, you want to click here on settings at the very bottom left, and then after that you want to click on plan. Okay, now here you will see the plan that you have selected. Now next you want to click on billing. Okay, you want to click here on billing, and here you will find your payment method here, the credit card that you have added to your own Shopify. Okay, now currently I didn't add any payment method because this is a new Shopify store. I just use this to explain things like this to people. So as you can see here, guys, if you check here, as you can see, it says here, let me show you. It says here, thank you for reaching out regarding this. Cards cannot be removed from your Shopify store through the admin. They can only be replaced. This is to ensure there is always a card available to charge when your invoice is due. Once you add a new card to your account, this is the only card that will be charged. So this means you cannot delete or you cannot remove the credit card from Shopify. But here is a solution. Now, if you go to billing here, okay, if you click on billing, next to your payment method, you will find three little dots here. Okay, here you will find three little dots. I am not able to see it because I didn't add the payment method to my Shopify. Now click on these three little dots and you will be able to see a button that says replace. So it says replace. That means you can replace the credit card to another card. Now probably you have a card that doesn't have any money in it. Okay, so for example, you have a card that it's not working. You can replace your credit card using that card. Okay, so that when they try to charge your credit card, you will not be able to charge it. But here is another solution, which to do a simple thing, like it's not hard at all. So you can just go to plan and you can cancel the plan. Okay, now once you cancel the plan, the credit card will be removed from your own Shopify store. But before you cancel, you want to check if you have an app that you are paying for. So there are some people who delete their Shopify store and then the app is still charging their credit card because they didn't cancel the subscription. Okay, now for example, you have subscribed to i2ds, which helps you guys dropship from AliExpress or Alibaba. That's the reason why people use i2ds. Now if that's the case, you want to go to their website and cancel the subscription. Okay, even if you delete the app from Shopify, which I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to click on apps and sales channels, and if you click on these three little dots here, and if you click on uninstall, that doesn't mean the card will not charge you because you just removed it. You didn't unsubscribe from their subscription. Now if it's just a random app that doesn't have a website, for example Robo, this app like helps you import products from different websites to your own Shopify store. Now if you delete this, the app will not charge you. But if you have like an app that has a website and you have subscribed to their website and they charge you, you will have to cancel that before you click on. After you do that, click on plan, and here deactivate cancel store or deactivate store, something like that here, where it says cancel trial, because I didn't pick a plan. That's the reason why it says for me cancel trial, but for you it will say like deactivate store or cancel store, something like that. Click on it and you will have to click on continue and then give them a reason. You don't really need to give them a valid reason, just something like other reasons, and then click something like this, and then click on continue, and then you will be able to cancel the plan. Now if you cancel the plan, then Shopify will not be able to charge you. Okay, they will not be able to do anything with your credit cards. So hopefully this video guys helped you. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. If you, like I said, drop a like and see you guys next video.